Hello friends, I'm Manpreet and in this video we will learn how to create this amazing collection of jewelry at home. So let's get started. Take two bangles and paste them on the plastic sheet using glue. Let it dry. Make a hole using needle and use a golden wire to make the ring. Keep the bangles on the sheet and add the solution and crystals to it. Let it dry for at least 24 hours. After 24 hours, remove the plastic sheet. Take 3 bangles and paste them together using glue. Now paste the stack of bangles on the plastic sheet using glue and let it dry. Cut the extras from the corners. Use a needle to make a hole and a golden wire to make a ring. Add the solution and the plastic flowers. You can add colored stones, buttons or beads of your choice. Here I am using black colored string to make a chain. Here I have added some glitters to the leftover material. You can give any desired shape to it. If you learned something new, please like and share my video and do subscribe my channel.